How's it, guys? Football Blast is back again with myself, Benedict Ngwenya, as well as Biggie on Sport. I will take his profile here in the description and you can follow him for his insightful views on football. He had a lot to say about Evidence Makgopa, the last time, and you guys gave him a lot of stick. I'm going to ask him about Evidence Makgopa as well. But Biggie, first things first, Bafana out of the World Cup. What did you make of their performance last night against Canada?
Heartbreaking and disappointing, I should say. I guess the coach, Hugo Broos, and his technical staff, they went with a very defensive approach yesterday. I guess he should have actually went with the same approach that we have seen against South Korea. It was disappointing to see how the players asserted themselves yesterday. As you could see, in fact, the midfield was packed. And another point of note is Hugo Broos. I think yesterday he was off form. He showed an inept performance, some lackluster performance, so to speak, and I guess he shouldn't have been in the first lineup as compared to that is Etienne Butter. I think the entire squad, Hugo Broos shouldn't have tampered with the squad, the same squad that played against South Korea. I guess it was the same approach that should have been applied in last night's game. But again, without taking everything away from Hugo Broos and his charges, let's give credit to them, and we hope that there will be lessons learned from this particular encounter against the host Canada.
And we saw him taking off Rele Mufokeng, replacing him with Mbata, which now then meant Chole was the sitting midfielder, Mokoena and Mbata were playing as the 2 free 8s, which shows very well that he's a coach that prefers to, go for a defensive approach, and that's how he's been playing over the years. I saw him coaching Cameroon back in 2017. Even in the final, he was so defensive. He only started attacking when he was a goal down. Fortunately, they managed to beat Egypt 2-1, and Cameroon ended up lifting that particular, trophy, AFCON 2017. And AFCON 2023, when we went all the way to the semi-finals, he was also defensive. We won a lot of those matches on penalties. That's how he started this particular World Cup. And yesterday, it did show that he's a coach who prefers defensive tactics. Now, should Hugo Broos stay or not? I'm asking you this question because last year he clearly stated that he wants to leave the national team and he will retire after the World Cup. But yesterday, he seemed so undecided, about his future.
As they always say, a wise man changes his mind. Hugo Broos wake up this morning changing his mind, and I guess maybe we need to give him a second chance, if not a third chance, going forward.
You think he should stay? Because even Kalele was being, prepared to take over the reins when Hugo Broos retires, and even the stock of Pitso Mosimane having applied for the Bafana job. Benny McCarthy also waiting in the wings. Do you think Hugo Broos is the best of them?
Let's give him another chance and see, and perhaps the next encounter or the next game, it can be maybe Bafana friendly match or Bafana African continental competition. Let's give him a chance. If perhaps he doesn't pull it, and then that's when we can decide whether Pitso comes on board or that is Benny McCarthy comes on board.
All right, lastly, Evidence Makgopa. I can't not ask you about him. What did you make of his performance last night?
Well, he had a few touches which were quite exciting yesterday, but that's not what he's been assigned for. He's been assigned to be a striker. I think he does more work as a defender than a striker, and that's what actually he did yesterday, in fact, helping the side. And once again, disappointed with Evidence Makgopa. I know at the end of this conversation, my head is going to be chopped or I will be vilified, but I still maintain I am yet to see Evidence Makgopa execute what he has been assigned for, of which for me he hasn't done it, be it at club level, which is Orlando Pirates, or at the national team, which is Bafana. And I can tell you, come 2026-27 season, I will be vindicated in as far as this argument is concerned.
All right, there you have it from Biggie on Sport and myself, Benedict Ngwenya. Until next time,
sharp.
sharp.